person who is the only one in the group that can talk to me? Raise your hand. All right, that should be the manager, the person with the blue card.
No.
Sorry, public relations, the person with the blue card. All right, now, here's why I do that. I want you to process your question through the group before you talk to me. Okay? So your group members are your first resource to answer these questions. Okay? Otherwise, as soon as you get confused, you're going to stick your hand up in the air and you're going to be the only person with a question, right? A lot of times by processing the question through the group, you figure out the answer and I don't have to come over there anyway. Okay? All right. Who is the person in the group that would present an answer to the class if they were asked to do so? Any kind of presentation that would have to happen from the group.
What is this? You present the things to a class. Wait, it says on what do you process?
All right, that should still be the public relations person. Yep, still be the public relations person.
What are you doing?
All right, so the public relations is responsible for anything going out of the group, any information that goes out to the general public, just like our public relations person here at Country Day. All right? Who is responsible for making sure that the group is functioning in a timely manner and you get to your time goals? Keeping the group on time. All right, if you have the green card and you're the manager, you should be raising your hand. Very good. Who should be checking answers to make sure that everyone is writing a complete answer that's going to help them for their homework tonight? So checking the quality of the answers. Yes, that should be quality control. Okay. All right. Who might, and this could be two people, who might try and get the group focused back on task if they're not working well? All right, so it could be the manager. Who else could it be? Right, process analyst. Okay, so the process analyst might focus the group back. Okay. Whose job is it to identify the things that the group is doing that are working really well? Okay, that's process analyst. Okay, great. So I'm going to give you the activity. You don't get graded on this. Okay, this is notes for today. So just like I wouldn't ask to see your notes and give you a grade, you're not going to get graded on this. This is for your own use. Write down your own answers, but they should agree with other people in your group. The end of the first page has a stop sign. Okay, you should be at that stop sign in 10 minutes. All right, 10 minutes from when you begin. And when you get there, call me over so I can check your answers. Okay. I'm going to give you an extra sheet of the first page because you're going to end up cutting this apart. When you cut it apart, it does not need to be neat. You're going to throw them in the garbage at the end of the period, the cut apart ones. Okay, so just get them apart quick and move on. Are there any questions? All right, as soon as you have your activities, you may begin.
I have a question.